Blackmagic v3.3 just dropped on iPhone, and it brings one of the features solo shooters have been asking for since the app was first released: full Apple Watch support. In one move, Blackmagic has leapfrogged Moment Pro Camera 2 to deliver the most robust remote control experience for video on the Apple Watch to date, and in this video we're diving into how this changes your workflow for monitoring, camera control, and even live streaming, all from your wrist. Getting started is seamless. Just make sure Blackmagic Camera is open on your iPhone, then fire up the app on your watch. The first thing you'll notice is the live preview. The latency is typical of the Apple Watch, more than good enough for remote framing and monitoring. You've even got a real-time audio level meter right there on the screen. The interface feels familiar. Just like on the iPhone, a quick swipe up or down hides or reveals the UI for a clean look at your frame, but my favorite detail, the digital crown. By turning it, you can cycle through your available lenses. Just hover over the one you want, release, and it switches instantly. It's a tactile, intuitive implementation that feels Apple native in the best way. Most apps would stop at record and preview, but Blackmagic went further. Tap the three dots in the bottom right and you get access to key controls. From your wrist, you can toggle and lock autofocus, exposure, and white balance independently or all at once. Turn stabilization on or off, and toggle time-lapse or off-speed recording on the fly. There is one interesting quirk. If you enable Preview LUT, it currently only applies it to the iPhone screen, not the watch preview. However, if you enable Record to File, the LUT displays on the watch preview too. Hopefully Preview LUTs can extend to the Apple Watch display in a future update. And for the creators going live, if your destination is already configured on the iPhone, you can actually take the stream live directly from your watch. Beyond the watch app, v3.3 adds electronic stabilization support for ProRes RAW. If you're a fan of the flexibility RAW offers but hate the micro jitters when shooting handheld, especially on the telephoto lens, this is a really nice addition. For a version 1 of watch support, this is incredibly polished. If you're a solo shooter, this effectively turns your Apple Watch into a field monitor and remote. So I hope this first look was helpful. If you have any questions about the update, drop them in the comments. And if you want to truly master this app, I've linked my full Blackmagic Camera course in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.